Hey guys, it's me, Crazy Popcorn, and today I'm going to be testing out some new recipes. And I'm super excited today, so let's just get started. So I'm starting off with this Pexin Knife's lavender soap, and I'm just going to pour like 2 teaspoons in my bowl, and I decided to add in that amount for all of my soaps because it's just a little amount and it keeps me from putting in more than I need to. So I just eyeball that. So then you just want to mix it around until it gets a little bubbly. And guys, I learned this trick from JSH DIY, and also I watched Slime Master, and I wanted to test if she's lying or not because she uses dish soap, but this lavender soap is just like dish soap because it's super liquidy, and I definitely feel like it might work. So yeah. So then I'm taking 100% sugar. It's not salt. Slime Masters use sugar. She didn't use salt, so I'm just gonna put in some sugar, and yeah. So I just added some of that in, and now I'm just gonna mix it up. And I was thinking that it was turning into slime, but the more I mixed them and the more bubbly it got, the more liquidy it got. So it didn't really work, honestly, because hers was like slime when it was bubbly, and like she mixed in the sugar, and like she mixed it all together and until it was bubbly, and it turned into like slime that you would make with glue. But mine did not turn into it, so sadly it was a definite fail. So the next one I'm going to take Lysol, and you're going to want to pour, so I added in 2 teaspoons of that into my bowl, and I decided to add in some baby oil because I watched JSH DIY's video, and it had like he used baby oil and like soap, and I just wanted to see if it would actually turn into slime, because maybe something didn't work for him that might work for me. So I just put that in, and it was, the more I mixed, the more slimier it got, and the more of a nicer pink it got, because it got like a neon pink. It was so pretty. Anyway, so I just kept on mixing it, and it was turning into slime, but not like a full-on slime, like a soap slime, but it was still quite liquidy. So I put in some baking soda and salt, and I mixed that in, and it was definitely turning into soap slime, but it wasn't turning into like slime that you could actually hold in your hands. And as you can see there through my mixing cup there, that it is very slimy, but in soap wise. So I think this one was cool to like test. So if you want, you can test it. It might work for you guys, but it might work for you guys and it might not work for me. But it was definitely a really cool idea to do, so that one was a pretty good. So the next one is this Listerine, and so I took some Listerine and added about like 2 tablespoons or whatever. I don't know. I just took like whatever I could. Actually, no, that was like 3 teaspoons. And then I had a little trouble opening it, so I had to pause the video. And then took some Vaseline, also had a little bit of trouble opening that, so I had to end the video there. So yeah, so I struggled a lot on getting the Listerine and getting the Vaseline to get in the bowl. So yeah. So then I just put some in finally, and I just mixed that around, and I was kind of scared that the Vaseline would stick all over to my bowl because it's just Listerine and Vaseline. So I was just like, okay, well, this isn't going to work. So I mixed it together. It was actually making a solid, which I could touch, and it was super cool. I was super amazed. I didn't know what was happening. just some sort of reaction just happened out of nowhere, and I was like, whoa. So I just took it in my hands, as you can see there, and I mixed it together off screen so that I knew that it was fully slime. And I didn't know that you have to have Listerine all over your hands to play with it, so I got a little bit on my hands, and there I am playing with it. Definitely try this out, because this is definitely good. So this isn't the last step. The next step is to take some very, very, very cold water. As you can see, I'm pouring in there, and I just added in about like 3 teaspoons of that. Tablespoons of that, and I just took it in my hands, and that water was freezing cold, and it made that Vaseline super hard, and I think that this was a definite success. I don't know about you guys, but you guys need to try this. Just go like to your bathroom, get some Listerine, and get some Vaseline. You want to put in the Listerine before the Vaseline, because I tried it before after that, and it didn't work. It was super bad, and I don't know why you have to add that certain combination, but yeah, so that's the last recipe I'm going to test. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe on this video. Give me some support. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!